How to activate Kuaishou account. So if you want to activate Kuaishou account, then you can either open your application if you have the application, or if you don't find the application, you can go with your browser. On your browser, you can go with search for Kuaishou. After searching, go with www.kuaishou.com. And after that, you can go with login on the top right, or you can also go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and then go with desktop site. From the desktop site, you will have login option on the top right. So tap on login. Once you tap on login, now you'll be able to log into your account with the QR code or by the mobile number. So enter your mobile number, enter your verification code, and then you can tap on login. And once you log in, then your account will be activated. So if you've deactivated or if you've deleted your account, then you can just simply enter your credentials, even if you've deactivated. And after entering your credentials, your account will be activated. So you just need simply go and log in and your account will be activated. So that's how you can activate Kuaishou account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.